Yeah, climate and natural res- resources, right? It is divided into two parts. The first part of the lesson, that is climate, is completed. Now we are doing natural resources. Yes, in which the first part, that is the meaning of resources, also we completed. The waterways also we completed, and then we reach the mineral. Okay, we have to do this information about Narmada project, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We completed the natural lakes, multi-purpose projects. Yes, artificial lakes also we completed. Now the information about Narmada project. What we have to do, beta?
Information
Information
about
about
Narmada
Narmada
project.
project.
Yes, very good. So now we will do this. The information about the Narmada project. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see my screen properly? You want to zoom in?
Yes.
Zoom in?
Yes,
No, it's proper.
It's
no, ma'am.
proper. Yes. Okay, chalo. Yes. Misbah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read Can you give us some information from the this text present over here about Narmada project, beta?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
Hi, hi. It's clear, beta. Girls, am I clear to you?
Yeah,
Yes.
clear.
Yes,
Bala ma'am,
ma'am.
you can
Yes,
speak.
ma'am.
Sorry,
Yes.
ma'am. What happened, Ruby, ma'am?
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay, Ruby, ma'am. I'm audible, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now is audible.
Yes. Yes. Can you read information about Narmada project, Misbah?
Yes, ma'am. The Narmada project is the biggest multi-purpose project of Gujarat. In terms of capacity, the main canal of the Narmada project is the biggest in the world. The entire canal network is approximately मैम आवाज नहीं आ रहा है
I think lot of mics are on. Is it?
8,215 villages and 135 cities of Gujarat are provided drinking water through
What?
the
It
Narmada
is
project.
water, okay? Misbah, is it? It is water. Water nahi hai. Spelling mistake hai, okay? Typing mistake.
14 districts, 75 talukas, and 3,360 villages of Gujarat are getting irrigation facility through the Narmada project.
Yes, very good. So, information about Narmada project. Yes, the Narmada project is the biggest multi-purpose project of Gujarat. What it is, beta? Biggest multi-purpose project of Gujarat. Okay. In terms of capacity, beta, how much water it can hold? Okay, that is capacity. The main canal of the Narmada project is the biggest in the world. What it is, beta? The main canal of the Narmada project is the biggest in the world. What it is? It is the biggest in the world. Okay. The length of the entire canal network is what, beta? It is approximately 66,000 kilometers. What it is? What it is? Entire. Am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Network is approximately 66,000 kilometers long. Canal ke network. Okay. Through this network, beta, it provides water, drinking water, and irrigation water, different districts. Okay. Now, 8,215 villages, imagine from Gujarat itself, and 135 cities of Gujarat are provided drinking water through the Narmada project. And 14 districts, 75 talukas, and 3,360 villages of Gujarat are getting irrigation facilities through this Narmada project. Okay. How many districts, beta? 14 districts, 75 talukas, and and 3,360 villages, okay, of Gujarat
Okay,
are,
ma'am.
yes, are getting irrigation facility through the Narmada project. Now, what is irrigation facility? We all have studied this in the last class. Water is provided when there is no rain season for the farming and agriculture work, right? So that is irrigation facility, right? Okay. So 3,360 villages को benefit होता है irrigation facility से नर्मदा project में. Okay. Now mineral resources. Okay.
Ma'am, can
Now
I read?
yes, mineral. 1 minute, beta. Minerals are found below the earth. Where they are found, beta? Below the earth through a natural process. But see, minerals formation takes thousands of years. कितना years लगता है? Thousands of years. किसी भी minerals के formation में thousands of years लगते हैं. Apart from that, बेटा, still इतना thousands of years लगने के बाद भी वो pure form में नहीं बनता. अवेलेबल कैसे होता है? वो प्योर फॉर्म में नहीं होता है, प्योर फॉर्म में नहीं होता है. इट इज टू बी प्यूरिफाइड. सो जो ये impurities which are present in the minerals, right, they are called ores. What are they called? ores, ores. Okay.
Oh,
हाँ. Is it clear? They are called ores. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read over. You wanted to read mineral resources.
Yes, mineral resources, biotic and abiotic materials below the surface of the earth are transformed into minerals having different chemical components due to intense heat and pressure. This this treasure trove of minerals is formed in the core of the earth through natural processes lasting for 4,000 of years. Minerals below the earth are not found in their pure forms. There are many impurities present due to which they are called ores. Example, iron ore. Only after the refining
Refining.
of the ore we get mineral in their pure form. These minerals form the foundation of the
From
economic
ne, form,
might
form the, from ne.
of form the foundation of the economic might and prosperity of a country.
Now they are divided into three types, right? Yes, which are they? Owen, continue.
Metallic minerals,
Hmm.
second, non-metallic minerals, third, power generating minerals.
Yes, and again they are classified into different. For example, metallic minerals into raw iron, copper, gold, zinc, tin, nickel, mercury, platinum, etc. Right? And non-metallic are classified into diamond, ruby,
Yes.
limestone, china clay, dolomite, bauxite, fluorspar, gypsum, cake.
Tech.
Can you mute your mic, beta? Calcite, silica, graphite, potash, and phosphate, etc. And power generating mineral like coal, natural gas, mineral oil, uranium, thorium, radium, etc. Yes. So all these are mineral resources. Yes. So beta, biotic and abiotic materials which are below the surface of the earth, they are transformed into minerals. Okay, having different, they all have different chemical components. Yes. Now what beta, due to intense heat and pressure, कैसे? जो इंटेंस हीट होती है, अंदर जो इंटेंस हीट होती है एंड प्रेशर जो होता है, this treasure trove of minerals is formed in the core of the earth through natural process. Okay, it is a natural process which is lasting for thousands of years. एक दो साल में नहीं बनते. It lasts for the process of formation of minerals under the earth, which is a natural process that takes thousands of years to form. Okay, and below the earth they are not found in the pure form. Okay, they are found with some impurities present in each, due to which it is called ores. Ores, ores. Okay, one example is given about it. It is iron ore. Okay, then it is refined, and then we get minerals in the pure form. Okay, in which form do we get? In the pure
Pure
form.
form.
Yes, this mineral form the foundation of economic might and prosperity of a country. Okay, and as I said, which in which part it is divided into three parts. Now in this chart we will see minerals which are available and in which states they are available. Yes, in which
Yes, ma'am.
minerals and metals, some are minerals, some are metals, so they are available and in which states they are available, that we are going to see in this table. Yes, yes, Owen, continue beta.
Okay, ma'am. Minerals, metals. Minerals, metals. Coal. States Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra
Chhattisgarh.
Pradesh, Goa. Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat.
Very good. Then the second, manganese.
Mineral, man,
Manganese.
manganese,
Manganese.
manganese states Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, West Bengal, Maharashtra. Metals copper Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Sikkim, Meghalaya.
Very good. Minerals, metals.
Bauxite.
Hmm.
Minerals,
Bauxite.
metals,
Bauxite.
bauxite. States Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra. Mi- Minerals, metal. Mica.
Mica.
States Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan. Minerals, metal. Lead. States Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. Mineral metals. Limestone. States Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh. Minerals, metal, gold, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Minerals and gold, minerals and metals, mineral oil and natural gas. States Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Assam, and Andaman Nicobar.
Thorium.
Minerals and metal, thorium. State Rajasthan, Jharkhand.
Very good. Then we will see uses of minerals. Okay. Now, where are these minerals useful? Okay. See, all these minerals are useful in some or the other way to us, right? Because they are also known as, what is it better? They are also these minerals form the foundation of the economic and prosperity of the country also, because we some type of minerals we give to other countries of other states also, right? Yes, for their development. So a country earns some money also, fund also from this type of import and export of some minerals. Yes, yes. Now where these minerals are used, that we will see. Yes, Rupani Zainab, can you read this uses of minerals? Am I audible, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I read? Yes, ma'am.
Rupani Zainab is present.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Solanki Almas, continue uses of minerals.
Uses of minerals. Manganese is used in chemical industries, pesticides, glass, varnish, and printing industries. Copper is used in electric wires, material, colored glass, coins, and printing industries. Bauxite is used in electric materials, colors, airplanes, purification of kerosene, and making of cement. Mica is used to make radio, telephone, airplane, gramophone, soundproof curtains. Fluorspar is used in mineral melting industries, plastic industries, hydro- hydrochloric acid, and in making things from china clay.
Hmm. So, main uses of minerals. Okay. So, manganese कहाँ पे यूज होता है? In chemical industries, pesticides, glass, varnish, and printing industries, right? Then copper कहाँ यूज होता है? Electric wires, where it is used? Electric wires, materials, colored glass, coins, and printing industries, right? Then bauxite is used in electric materials, colors, airplanes, purification of kerosene, and making of cement, right? Then mica. Mica is used in making radio, telephone, airplane, gramophone, and soundproof curtains. Yes. Then we'll see about full super. It is used in mineral melting industries, plastic industries, hydrochloric acid, and in making things from China clay. Understood, everyone? Now, land
Yes.
resources. Yes. Yes. Can you see properly, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who will like to read?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Ma'am,
What
can
is
I
your
read?
name?
Saina
Sakina
Brupani.
Rajani.
Sakina Rajani. And the girl who was asking for permission is?
Saina Brupani.
Okay.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
I read?
Sakina Rajani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read beta land resources. Rupan is in. You be the next. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Land resources. A large area covered chiefly with numerous trees and undergrowth in a forest. Forests are invaluable sources of wealth and nation of a
Wealth
nation.
of a nation.
Wealth of a nation. There are different types of forest in India because of its physiography and climate. There are 50 types of trees in India.
Huh?
5,000 types of trees in India. India ranked 10th in the world in terms of availability of varieties of vegetation. Since ancient times, India removed for medical herbs
India
that
is India is renowned for medical herbs. Okay.
okay, there is mention of almost 2,000 varieties of herbs or trees in Ayurveda.
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 Hmm. Yes, very good, Sakina. Yes, Rupani Zainab. On
Yes,
next
ma'am.
next paragraph, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ev- Evergreen forests are found in northeastern past, mountainous regions, and the Andaman and Nicobar Island of India. Evergreen are so named as there is no particular season for trees to shed their leaves. Therefore, these forests remain green throughout the year. These, these trees are usually 35 meters in height. Bamboo, teak, sal, mahogany, and shisham are the main trees of this forest.
Hmm.
Deci- deci-
Deciduous
deci-
forest.
Deciduous forests are found in Vindhyachal mountain ranges, the, the Satpura Hills, the foothills of the Himalayas, the foothills of the eastern western Ghats of India. The main trees of this forest are teak, sal, mahuda, banyan, and pipal. This Just trees shed their leaves in autumn. Autumn. The title of
बस बस. Now let me explain you this part. लैंड रिसोर्सेज बेटा लैंड रिसोर्सेज में फॉरेस्ट के बारे में हम पहले पढ़ेंगे ओके थ्री फॉरेस्ट इज विल लर्न अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट बट व्हाट आर फॉरेस्ट okay forest is at the place a large area okay which is covered with numerous trees or undergrowth trees है ना सम न्यूमरस मतलब कि बहुत सारे ट्रीज होते हैं या फिर अंडरग्रोथ होता है दे आर स्टिल ग्रोइंग ओके and it is an invaluable source of wealth of a nation you cannot value the source this wealth of the nation right and there are different types of forest in india because of the physiographic and climatic divisions there are various divisions okay there are 5000 types of trees in india how many types of trees are there beta
five types.
5000 types of trees in India. Okay. And India ranks 10th in the world in terms of the availability of the variety of vegetation. कहाँ पे रैंक होता है 10th पूरे वर्ल्ड में in the availability of variety of vegetation. Okay. और ancient time से India is very much renowned for medical herbs. For example, you know, in Ayurveda, there are mention of 2000 varieties of herbs and trees in Ayurveda. कितने 2000 varieties of herbs are mentioned in Ayurveda. Is it clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Solanki Almas.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, revise this first paragraph which I explained you.
Land resources. A land area covered
Akani Sara is
chiefly.
not present. She is present. She was present today
No,
in
ma'am.
lecture.
Yes, ma'am. In maths and Gujarati, I think she was present.
Okay, and what about Madhwani Sakina? Himani Sakina?
Bhimani Sakina is also there.
She is there right now? Okay, and Madhwani?
No, ma'am, she is not.
She is coming in online classes?
Ma'am, in maths she had come in Gujarati.
And what about Umehani?
She had also come, but after
Ma'am,
Gujarati she
she is.
left.
Huh? Umehani is there
Ma'am,
present
she
here?
is here. Yes, ma'am, she is present here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine, very good. Chalo. Yes, Almas, continue.
Land resources. A large area covered chiefly with numerous trees and undergrowth is called a forest. Forests are an invaluable source of wealth of a nation. There are different types of forest in India because of its physiography and climate. India has 5000 types of trees in India. India ranks 10th in terms of diversity of the variety of renowned medicinal herbs.
Medicinal,
There is mention of
medicinal,
almost
medicinal
2000
herbs.
varieties of herbs and trees in Ayurveda.
Hmm. Understood, Umehani? Madhva,
Herbs and trees in
Madhu,
Ayurveda.
Sakina? कौन सी सकीना है रूपानी के माधवानी
Bhimani
भीमानी भीमानी सकीना
and
है
Rajhani.
हाँ राजानी भीमानी सकीना अंडरस्टूड बेटा
Yes, ma'am.
okay so Bhimani Sakina now we are going to see the three types of forest one is evergreen forest deciduous forest and the third is tidal or mangrove forest which is the third one tidal or mangrove forest okay so first is evergreen forest okay where are they found they are found in northeastern parts and mountainous regions and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India. Yes, at all these places it is found. Now, evergreens are so named as there is no particular season for the trees to shed their leaves. Okay, There is no why they are called evergreen. You know, beta. Bhimani Sakina. Huh? Because there is no fixed time to shed their leaves. Evergreen forest में trees कब shed leaves करते हैं वो fix नहीं होता है. Particular season नहीं होती for the trees to shed their leaves. Okay. Therefore, this forest remain green throughout the year. कैसे रहते हैं throughout the year?
Green.
Yes, throughout the year they live green. That is why they are called evergreen forest. Okay. Now their height is usually 30 to 50 meters. Okay. And the trees which are found here are bamboo, teak, sal, mahogany, sisam, and are the main trees of this forest. Okay. Now we will see about deciduous forest.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Can you see? Oh, sorry. Can you see deciduous forest? It is written. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, where are they found? In the Vindhyachal mountain ranges, Satpura hills, the foothills of the Himalayas, the foothills of the eastern and western Ghats of India. And the trees found here are teak, sal, mahuda, banyan, people, etc. Right? And these trees, deciduous trees, they shed their leaves in autumn season, and then the new leaves comes. Yes. So they are not in evergreen list, right? They are in deciduous forest list. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the tidal or mangrove forest. Umehani, Bhimani Sakina understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhimani Sakina, ये दोनों evergreen forest और deciduous forest रिवाइज कर दो बेटा एक बार. चलो fast.
What, ma'am?
Revise it once. The paragraphs which I explained about evergreen and deciduous forest. बोलो एक बार.
Evergreen forests are found in the northern eastern parts, mountain regions, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India. Ever,
Islands नहीं बेटा सकीना.
huh?
Islands, S is silent, okay? Islands नहीं बोलते.
Okay,
Islands is, you pronounce it as Island, नहीं. Island only. S is silent, okay?
okay, ma'am. There
See,
is no particular
सकीना,
season for them. Yes,
सकीना, मैं आपको एक बात
yes, ma'am.
समझाऊं. देखो, आइसलैंड अगर आप बोलो तो वो ICE हो जाएगा. तो अंडमान एंड निकोबार पे आइस नहीं होता है. अंडरस्टूड? इट इज एन आइलैंड. व्हाई इट इज एन आइलैंड? बिकॉज फोर साइड्स इट इज कवर्ड विथ वाटर. Okay. And island we
Okay,
pronounce
ma'am.
in island because it is s is silent. Okay.
Okay. There
Yes
is
beta.
there is no such season to shed their leaves. There,
Therefore,
therefore, this forest remains green throughout the year. These trees are usually 30 to 35 meters in height. The bamboo, teak, cell, ma- ma'am, what is it?
sesame,
Ma-
mahogany.
Sesame, mahogany are the main trees of this forest.
Now deciduous forest.
Deciduous forests are found in the Vindhyachal mountain ranges and Sapuda hills, the foothills of the Himalayas, the foothills of the eastern and western Ghats of the India. The main trees of this forest are teak, sal, mudha, banyan, and peepal. These trees shade their leaves in autumn.
Hmm. Yes. Understood everyone? Now we will see the
Yes, ma'am.
coniferous and the tidal or a mangrove forest. Yes. Yes, Rupani Zainab.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming proper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Am I audible properly, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, Rupani Zainab, read this paragraph of mangrove forest,
Ma'am, your
tidal.
voice is cutting.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No, your
ma'am.
voice.
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am,
ma'am.
your voice is proper.
No,
Ma'am,
it is
your voice is
cutting, ma'am.
proper.
Ma'am, your voice is proper.
Okay, no problem. बेटा जिसको नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है, they can check their own network also, बेटा. Still, if you face any problem, then say okay.
No, ma'am. Now it is okay.
Okay, fine. Yes, continue, Zainab.
Okay, ma'am. The tidal or mangrove forests are most luxuriant around the delta area of large rivers and sheltered bays where our annual rainfall is very high. The Indian tidal or mangrove forests are mainly situated on the Gangetic Delta,
Gangetic. Gangetic.
Gangetic Delta and in the coastal plains in the West Bengal called the Sundarbans and mangroves. Sundari Bans, Kevra, Cher grow in this forest.
Coniferous. Coniferous.
Coniferous forests are found in mountainous regions of Himalayas. Deodar, pine, spruce, and beech trees grow in this forest.
Hmm. Okay. So now we will say about the two, the tidal or the mangrove forest and the coniferous forest. Okay. Now the tidal forest or mangrove forest are most luxuriant around the delta area and over large rivers and is sheltered base where the annual rainfall is very high. Okay. Now, this type of forest, mangrove forest, are mainly situated on the Gangetic plains and in the coastal and western Bengal. Called the trees which are found there are Sundarbans, mangroves, sundri, palm, kevas, chair, etc. Right? Then about the coniferous forest. Yes, as Zainab said, that they are found in mountainous regions of the Himalayas. Where are they found?
Mountainous
Mountain,
region of Himalayas.
yes, of Himalayas. And the trees found over there are deodar, pine, spruce, and beech. Trees grown in this forest. Okay. And the last is the thorny forest, which is the last one, the thorny forest. Okay. Where are they found? They are found in northwest Punjab, West Haryana, Rajasthan, and the southern and western areas of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, trees like spurge, akika, that is cactus, and caper are found here. Which are found here? Cactus, that is akika, and caper are found here. And where are they found? In Rajasthan and West Haryana, and in northwest of Punjab. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So here we finish about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
all different types of forest. Okay, different types of forest. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Any doubt till here?
No,
No,
ma'am.
doubt.
No doubt?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Any doubt, girls?
No,
No.
no, ma'am.
Everything
No,
clear
ma'am.
about everything
Yes.
clear about the different types of forest?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So lesson number 2 notes I will share with you or not?
Yes. You
Yes,
share.
yes,
हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
लेसन नंबर 2 की नोट्स शेयर कर चुकी हूँ कि नहीं?
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Okay.
मैंने
So
तो फेयर बुक में भी लिख डाला.
who is that? Convert.
मिसबा.
Don't converse in Gujarati, Misbah.
Okay, ma'am.
Speak in English. Okay. Everyone has completed the fair book notes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
chalo.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good, chalo. So we end up our class here today. Okay, chalo, one by one, everyone leave the group. Okay, girls.
Okay,
Okay,
bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, ma'am.